Kasco J Series fountains are the perfect focal point in any pond or lake. From the 30-foot high attention-demanding Redwood pattern, to the elegant Balsam 3-tier pattern, each nozzle offers its own visual appeal. Designed with both beauty and function in mind, these fountains can improve overall water quality by increasing oxygen transfer. All J-Series fountains come with multiple nozzles included in the price and can be paired with an optional light kit. Available as 3/4, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7.5 horsepower. Offered as a 120-volt and 240-volt on certain models. 2-year warranty on 3/4 and 1 horsepower units. 3-year warranty on 2 horsepower units. New 5-year warranty on 3, 5 and 7.5 horsepower. Package includes motor unit, float, bottom screen, interchangeable nozzles, control panel with GFI protection, mooring lines, and power cord. Feel free to contact us for more information.